character council group trait was necessary, and necessary is doing what needs to be done in a certain situation.
Walking with your mask down in the hallway is actually not a good representation of doing what's necessary. To keep everybody in the school safe and your friends and family, keeping your mask on in the hallway makes sure that you don't spread COVID and it keeps everybody healthy.